Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture, we learned about HTML heading. Today we will learn some basic HTML tags. For example, paragraph tag, line break tag, horizontal line tag, enter tag, image source tag, pre tag. So for this, we will open our editor. We will make new file, new HTML, then press create. We will set the title of our web page, basic HTML tags, and we will save it. File, save. My iteration is G HTML5. Name will be basic tags, right? And we will start with paragraph tag. Paragraph tag have the opening and closing tag, right? The only difference between is the forward slash. Now we will write some text in paragraph and we will see what will be show on the web page. I already typed some data. I will paste in the paragraph text, right? I will save it and I will save it and I will I will save it and I open the page, right? Here it show the paragraph on the web page, right? I will zoom the browser so that it will be visible for user, right? It will show the text on our web page. If I want some text in a new line, we will use the line break tag. I want my expertise are in PHP in a new line, then I will use the line break tag is the BR tag. BR tag have only the opening tag, not the ending tag. I will save it. I will reload the page. Now you will see it. My expertise in PHP is shown in a new line, right? In the source file you can see it, we have only one paragraph. If I want another paragraph, I will again type P. I will make a new paragraph by using P letter, right? P is the starting and P is the ending tag, right? I will write some text in new paragraph, right? Now we will see it. This is the paragraph 1 and this is the paragraph 2, right? Now I will remove the BR. I will write. I will reload the page. Now I want some space. Now I want some more space between these two paragraphs, right? Then I will type line break between these paragraphs, right? Type the line break, right? This is the line break, right? I will save it. I will reload the page. Now you can see it. There's a huge gap between these two paragraphs, right? I want the horizontal line after the paragraph. Then I will use the HR tag, right? I will save it. I will reload the page. It shows the line after paragraph number 2, right? Now the other tag is the PRE tag, right? I will type PRE start and PRE end, right? Now I will enter some text in this tag, right? I will save it. I will reload the page. Now you can see it. PRE tag is used to display text exactly as written in the HTML source code, right? If we write this tag in paragraph, you can see the difference. I will remove the RE and reload the page. Now you can see it. In paragraph tag, it shows the text in a paragraph format, but in PRE tag, it shows the data as we type in the source HTML file, right? Now I will tell you about the image. Now I will tell you. Now I will tell you about the hyperlink tag to link some text or image to another destination, right? For this, but before this, I will set the horizontal line, right? I will write some text. Agile Mentor is the best YouTube channel. Click on the link to open the channel. Now here I will implement the link, right? A href closing this. This syntax is a href, then close the a tag, right? Here I will type the URL of my channel, right? I already opened the channel and I will copy the URL. I will paste it here, right? I will save it. I will close my channel. Now I will reload the page. It shows the horizontal line, and below the horizontal line I'll type Agile Mentor is the best YouTube channel. Click on the link to open the channel. I will click on the link. It will go to my channel web page, right? This is the destination of our link, right? And in the last, I will tell you about image source tag, right? Image source. Image source tag is used to display the image on the web page. In image resource tag, source is the source of our file. I have the file in HTML5 folder, right? Its name is one, right? And its name is one.png. PNG is the extension of the file. I will type the name here 1.png. I will open the file. It shows the image. It covered a lot of space of our web page. So in image source, in in image tag, we can set the width and height of our image, right? Width is 250, height will be 150, right? I will save it. I will reload the page, right? Now can you see it? It shows the image according to width and height of the image which we define in the image tag, right? I hope you understand the today lecture. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.